Well, your forecast is a cold one. That's our 21C Museum Hotel live weather bug camera view, and another view, this one from Center College. So a little bit of traffic on the move in Danville this morning as well. Visibility's down a few miles into our southeastern counties, but we had some moisture roll through late in the weekend. A hint of it, just enough to give us a few hundredths to a few tenths of an inch of cold rain in the eastern counties. That's the very tail end of it from the past couple of hours. It has moved off into the east, and we are drying out behind it, but since we had that go through, we've got some at least damp roads out there, especially eastern counties. Now that we're down around freezing, you want to watch out for that possibility that you may be doing a little slip and slide. Now, I don't think it's going to be a big factor for anybody, but that could be a potential hazard for you since we're around freezing now. The moisture is pretty much gone, and the rest of the day we will continue to dry out. The one thing that's going to hang around, though, is quite a bit of cloud cover. Here's that precipitation I was talking about, barely even registering in the bluegrass. I let my dogs out this morning. You could tell that it had rained, but that was really about the extent of it. A couple tenths of an inch possibles in a few spots out in our eastern Kentucky counties. So that's it for that. Here's the cloud cover. It should start to break. We've got this northerly flow, this north to northwesterly wind the next couple of days. And with a ridge of high pressure building in out west, that flow is going to continue, which keeps the temperature suppressed. We're in the 30s today. We're in the low 40s tomorrow, still below our average high in the mid 40s. But eventually that high starts to shift. The wind becomes more southwesterly. And later this week, we do warm up. And we could have a couple of very nice days coming our way. Right at freezing in a number of spots in the bluegrass, low to mid 30s south and east, a few upper 30s hanging on. Northerly flow, keeping the wind chill in the mid 20s, so it's a cold morning. But look at the highs, bubbling up, not just 50s, but eventually peaking potentially around the low 60s later this week. The future track shows our chill that we've got now displaced by these above normal temperatures. That yellow and orange to red, an indication of some unseasonable warmth for this time of the year. Indications out there by mid to late December we'll start to have some pushes of colder air again. But for today, we're still in the thick of the chill. Forecast highs in the rain percentage. That rain's pretty much done. We'll keep a low end chance, 10-20%. But you can see a number of mid 30s out towards Cynthiana, north and east. Owenton, 36 up north. As you head into eastern Kentucky, much the same, mid to upper 30s. Maysville showing upper 30s. This could be a little late day sunshine breaking through the cloud cover. Mid 30s down towards Campton, Irvin, far southeast towards Pikeville, the mountains, Harlan. Usual suspects south and east in the mid 30s, Hyden, Hazard, and then the Lakes region, upper 30s down towards, say, Columbia, Adair County there, Jamestown, Russell County, some upper 30s. So some folks, if you're lucky enough, you could see a late day break in those clouds, but they'll hang in pretty thick. Just know in your back pocket, keep that handy, that chance for some warmth later this week. Just keep that in the back of your mind because we could have a couple of really nice days on the way because, of course, heading into the weekend, the weather starts to get ugly again.